The 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom stands as the pinnacle of ultra-luxury automobiles, continuing a legacy that spans nearly a century. As the flagship model of the Rolls-Royce lineup, the Phantom represents the highest level of craftsmanship, innovation, and status in the automotive world. With its commanding presence, whisper-quiet ride, and attention to detail, the 2025 Phantom isn't just a car, it's a rolling piece of art from the outside. The 2025 Phantom maintains its iconic silhouette, bold, upright, and effortlessly regal. The signature Pantheon grille and Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament immediately command attention, while subtle updates to the LED headlight design and bumper give the car a slightly more modern edge. The long wheelbase version offers even more space for rear passengers, turning the back seat into something closer to a private lounge than a car interior. Under the hood, the Phantom continues to use the legendary 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, delivering an effortless 563 horsepower and 664 pounds-ft of torque. Power delivery is smooth and nearly silent, aided by one of the most refined 8-speed automatic transmissions ever developed. The Phantom glides on the road with such poise that even at highway speeds, passengers experience an environment so quiet it's often compared to a recording studio. Rolls-Royce's Magic Carpet Ride suspension, which uses cameras to read the road and adjust in real time, ensures that bumps and imperfections disappear beneath the massive body. Step inside, and the 2025 Phantom reveals its true strength. An interior that's more luxurious than most five-star hotels. The cabin is wrapped in the finest leathers, custom wood veneers, and precision-milled metal accents. Each Phantom is tailored to its owner's tastes, offering limitless customization options from colors and materials to personalized embroidery, starlight headliners, and even custom artwork in the dashboard's gallery section. The technology within the Phantom remains hidden until needed, preserving the brand's classic minimalistic aesthetic. A new update to the infotainment system introduces an even more intuitive interface, improved voice control, and full wireless integration. For smartphones, rear passengers enjoy individual screens, fold-out tables, and champagne coolers. Everything is designed for comfort, discretion, and control at the touch of a button. In 2025, Rolls-Royce has also focused more on sustainability, with the Phantom being crafted in a facility powered by renewable energy. While the V12 remains for those who desire the ultimate traditional luxury experience, there are whispers of a future all-electric Phantom that may follow in the footsteps of the all-electric Spectre, the 2025. Phantom is not about speed or numbers, it's about presence, prestige, and peerless comfort. It's a vehicle designed for those who have reached the very top, who require nothing but the best, and who see the car not just as a machine, but as a statement. In a world moving fast toward electrification and minimalism, the Phantom remains defiantly opulent, proudly grand, and eternally iconic.